My name is Prem Goradia. I am an animal rights activist. I help Vasai Virar, Nala Soparas, all the voiceless. And I left my job and I am 24 hours into rescues because there is no one to on field to take care of this voiceless. FIR तो हुआ है मेरे पे. They file an FIR on me. वो जीत नहीं सकते. मैं तो मेरा काम करना ही था. मैं कर ही रहा हूँ. From January to December 2023, I have treated almost 800 plus dogs on the spot. Met with an accident. So I started working 24 hours. People started knowing me that Prem Gurada is working 24 hours. For one case, we used to visit 10 volunteers for the one case. I have posted a request in Milap for fundraising.
Hi folks, so this is Partisan. So this is my next telecast. As promised, I've got with me somebody who is very special and very known in the hearts of Vasaikars, okay? And it is extended not only in Vasai right now, but also in Virar and the other vicinities in the suburbs as well. So let me help you to introduce this person, okay, what he does, what he shares, and what actually inspired him, and what is the process, and what is his next goal. So let's hear it from the person itself. Hi, Prem.
Hello.
Okay, so Prem, just introduce yourself to the partisans, please.
My name is Prem Goradia. I am an animal rights activist. I help Vasai Virar, Nala Soparas, all the voiceless. Like if they are injured or they met with an accident, so I pick up them and admit them to the hospitals with the help of ambulances and everything.
Okay, so Prem, so initially when you started it, okay, tell me something that inspired you to really start this.
Actually, me and my family are always being a dog lover. And when I was on 8th standard, I had one pet named Batetu. In Gujarati, we called as Batetu, and in Hindi, it's Alu. So he was coming at my place, my grandmother's place, and we used to feed him. He comes at our home and he used to sleep at our home. So from there, we started our journey. And in around 2015 or 16, one of my area's dog, while my mom was on the feeding ground, she noticed that one dog met with an accident. So she called me and asked that if you know anyone, let's help him. So like I searched on internet but I didn't know got any of the help through internet. But one of the person who might know someone, so they called him and they treated him. So he was like okay within 10 to 15 days. Then I was like introduced with Divyajot volunteers who came at that night and treated my dog. And then I told them to like add me in their group, so I would like to volunteer them. So I started volunteering to them, and in meanwhile, after 2 years, COVID started. COVID entered in the Maharashtra. So basically, like I started my journey in COVID, where I used to get the cases in night also, like after 6 p.m. because Divyajot ambulance was like working from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. itself. So they had limitation. And after being in the group, I was like cases also reported at night also. So I started working 24 hours. People started knowing me that Prem Gurada is working 24 hours. Right? Like so, this is how my journey got started.
So you actually initiated this since 2015, right?
15 to 16.
15 to 16.
Yes.
You're still continuing.
Yes.
So how many people were there with you at the same time?
From starting, I was the one only. Then COVID entered. Then all was at home only. All the people and the volunteers. Like for one case, we used to visit 10 volunteers for the one case at that time because it was COVID and everyone was at home. So for one case, we used to visit 10 people.
Okay, so you used to visit 10 people. So
Yeah.
Tell me, do you have actually these reserve funds, or how do you manage this entire thing?
If someone is ready to, if someone who's reporting the case, if they are ready to provide the funds, then it's fine. Else, I do the fundraising in the WhatsApp groups or Facebook or Instagram.
So do you think your response is good? There are many dog lovers, animal lovers in
Yes,
Vasai Virar?
people like me who cannot work on field and they want to do something for the voiceless, so they donate me some amount. Like someone, if they're very much well-being, they donate the full amount as well sometimes.
Okay.
Yes.
So they donate the full amount. So this is what you do: is you put the request on WhatsApp group, different WhatsApp groups
Yes.
of animal lovers, and then it is networked to everybody, and
Yes.
then that is how you receive the funds, is something of that
Yes.
sort. And I'm sure there are a few doctors who must be helping you out. There's a few vets who must be helping you.
Yes.
I'm sure there will be other people also who are helping you out, right?
Yes, there are many in my touch. Recently, Urban Veterinary Service has been started in Vasai West. They are like fully fledged, like X-rays, blood reports, sonographies, and everything. I have a tie-up with them as well. Like if anyone who is not ready to pay the amount, and I try to do the less amount.
Okay.
Like I have a tie-up, so they give the concession to the people for the stray
Alright.
dogs.
So tell me, if you can vaguely remember the number, how many animals that you must have been helped along the line right from 2015? If you can just give me an approximate figure, or just
More
closer
than
to that.
20,000.
More than 20. Wow.
Yeah, because
That is
in
nice.
2023 only, from January to December 2023, I have treated almost 800 plus dogs on the spot.
On the spot, okay?
Yes.
Any challenges that you face? Like, you know,
Yes.
there could be somebody who's not wanting you to do this work, who think, okay, Prem, there are dogs everywhere, all because of you, and you know, there could be certain challenges that you would be facing.
Yes, there are many challenges because I'm working individually. I was first working with the Motilal Oswal, then I left my job and I am 24 hours into rescues because there is no one on field to take care of this voiceless. So people who are like jealous, they file an FIR on me by faking, like by telling police station that I'm giving saline, I'm giving injections everywhere, but they are not very much. वो जीत नहीं सकते. मैं तो मेरा काम करना ही था, मैं कर ही रहा हूँ. And FIR तो हुआ है मेरे पे, but I have taken a bail as well. But meanwhile, at that time also I continued my work. I never failed in my work.
That has not
And
stopped
people-
you, actually.
Yes.
So I believe that you have modified a second-hand vehicle and have made it into an ambulance. And I think you're looking for more people to actually help you for giving out their second-hand vehicles, especially Omni or a Maruti van is something where you can modify or even donate for you an ambulance, you know, because there's shortage of funds, there is shortage of vehicles, there's shortage of manpower, but you're running it all alone. So can you just tell me what you exactly need and how can people help you reaching out through this video?
Actually, I had an Omni van which was donated by one of my donor, and I have posted a request in Milap for fundraising. So both the amount I have got, and I have taken a second-hand ambulance, but it was an old ambulance, 2008, not an ambulance, I will call it as a rescue van. It was of 2008 model, and there was maintenance, there were lots of maintenance in that because it was a petrol van. So I have sold that, and I'm currently looking out where someone can donate me a new ambulance, so that because we people from Vasai Virar, there is no transport facility for
Okay.
voiceless, because there is no hospitals here in Vasai Virar. All the hospitals are in Thane, Murbad or Karjat, or in in Bandra or everywhere. So there is no hospital. So we actually face problems while transporting the dogs. We have to call ambulance from outside, like Panvel or Borivali. So they take charges of that time also. And in meanwhile, from coming from Panvel or Borivali, at that mid of time also that dogs be in pain. So I want someone who can donate me a new ambulance, so that we can just pick up the dog and put it in ambulance, and we can admit the dog in the treatment center.
Okay, so here goes a request from Prem Goredia. If anybody is watching, kindly note that there is a request for vehicles, okay, especially an ambulance. He had a second-hand ambulance, and which is right now under repairs, which is cannot be repaired anymore. And because it was given by a donor, it was a second-hand vehicle. And we're looking forward to somebody donating a new ambulance, maybe one ambulance or max 2 ambulances, which we can use to rescue the animals. Also looking forward to a place where somebody could donate, where, you know, they can bring out a hospital for these animals, especially in the very heart of Vasai, because we have many animal lovers. I've come to know there are many animal lovers that are growing by the day in Vasai. And we have one who has initiated everything out here, and we have Prem Goradia. Thank you, Prem. Thank you very much. And we shall be back in touch with you, and I hope you get some good news soon. And we will be reaching out to maximum viewers with this. And this is how we'll begin our journey, yeah? So thank you, and keep up with the good work, yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.